Before you look at any indicator, any pattern, or any entry, you need to know one thing. Which direction is the market actually moving? Today on PU Prime's Web Trader, I'm going to show you how to read market structure and why getting this right is the foundation that everything else is built on. This is not financial advice, this is for educational purposes only. Let's go. I'm on PU Prime's Web Trader and I want to show you market structure, the most fundamental concept in technical analysis that every other idea in trading sits on top of. Market structure is simply the pattern of highs and lows that price creates as it moves. In a bullish structure, price is making higher highs and higher lows. Every push upward goes higher than the last one and every pullback holds above the previous low. That pattern tells you buyers are in control and the path of least resistance is upwards. In a bearish structure, price is making lower highs and lower lows. Every push downward goes lower than the last and every bounce fails below the previous high. Sellers are in control and price wants to go down. So we're going to jump on the chart and we're just going to map out some structure here. So price is going down, we've got a lower low, we've got a lower high, we've got a lower low, we've got a lower high, we've got a lower low, then we get a higher high, then we get a lower low. Price is then quite choppy for a little bit. We then proceed to push upwards, so a higher high, so we get a break, then we get a lower low, we push up, we've got, you've got this minor structure here as well if you want to count it. If you just want to push the full leg, you have a higher high here. You've then got a little range here, we break down, so then you've got a lower low, a lower high, a lower low, coming back up, you have a lower high, down to a lower low. So right now we're ranging, but the bigger leg is currently bearish.
If you're serious about improving your trading results in 2026, it's time to stop relying on guesswork. Let me introduce you to signalpeak.io, a trading signal platform built around precision and structure, not random entries. With SignalPeak, you get real-time trading signals, clearly defined entry points, take profit and stop loss levels, plus structured market analysis that actually explains the setup. There are also dedicated channels tailored to different trading styles, so you can follow what suits you best. Most importantly, everything is built around discipline and proper risk management because consistency always comes first. If you're still unsure, they offer a free trial so you can test the quality for yourself before committing. Don't chase the market. Trade with structure. Trade with confidence. Try signalpeak.io today. Now, let's get back to the video.
Now, obviously within here, you have a lot of minor structure as well. So market structure can be as difficult as you want it, or you can just eyeball it. Now, if you want to be a bit more aggressive with it, you've got these here. So you've got lower low, you've got lower high. Obviously, you still get the same breakdown here. The price is still the same here. Break down, you push up, you break down. But then you've got these ones here. So these can be a bit more aggressive. Little push up, little push down, little push up. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. It's basically just making triangles, right? So you come down again, you've got one here. So oftentimes you've got the larger market structure legs and you've got the smaller market structure legs, right? The minor ones. It's down to you to choose which market structure you best resonate with. Obviously, change of time frames can help as well. So if you want to be more aggressive and say, okay, this is the market structure here, right? I can pretty much guarantee you if you're that aggressive on the 4 hour, that would probably be a larger leg on, say, the 15-minute. So you can see if you're looking at the 15-minute, the waves all of a sudden are a lot bigger. So you can be a bit more aggressive with it. You just got to find what works for you. Now, the moment that matters most is the break of structure, right? The point where price pushes through a level that changes the pattern. In a downtrend, when price breaks above a previous lower high, that's a potential shift to bullish structure. In an uptrend, when price breaks below a recent higher low, that's a potential shift to bearish structure. That break is not confirmation on its own. You watch what happens after it, but it's a signal that the balance of power between buyers and sellers may be shifting. Every trade you take should be aligned with the current structure. Trading Again, structure is the single most common reason beginners find themselves on the wrong side of the market. So having a solid foundation for your structure, being able to map it in the way that you want it, pair it with different time frames, you'll be able to understand a really good flow of the market and the direction you want to be following. Now, I want to take some time now to talk about something on PU Prime that does not get enough attention, and that's their community page. Because trading is something most people do alone, staring at charts by themselves, and the community that PU Prime have built around their platform is genuinely one of the most useful things they offer. The PU Prime community is where traders come together to share analysis, to talk through setups, discuss what the market is doing, and learn from each other in real time. When you're learning market structure, which is what today has been about, being able to see how other traders are reading the same charts is incredibly valuable. You start to see which levels other experienced traders are marking, which direction they're biased, and how they're thinking about the structure on pairs you're watching yourself. And that exposure to different perspectives accelerates your learning in a way that videos alone simply can't. The community is also where you see traders sharing their own setups before and after they play out. That kind of real-time market commentary from active traders is something that used to only be available if you were paying for a premium service or part of a private trading group. On PU Prime, it's built into the platform, so you can browse analysis across multiple pairs and timeframes, engage with other traders, ask questions, and contribute your own reads as your confidence builds. For anyone who's earlier in their trading journey, this is particularly powerful, right? You're not just learning from videos or books. You're seeing live market thinking from people who are actively in the market every day. And for anyone who's more experienced, it's a way to sanity check your own analysis. See whether others are seeing the same structure as you are, and stay sharp on pairs you might not be watching as closely, right? The community on PU Prime is free. It's accessible directly through the platform, and it is one of those features that once you start using it, you wonder how you were trading without it. So get in there, introduce yourself, and start engaging. The link to PU Prime is in the description. Higher highs and higher lows is bullish. Lower highs and lower lows, bearish. Break of structure, pay attention. Get on PU Prime and start reading structure on every chart you open. The link is in the description, and join the PU Prime community while you're there. It's one of the most underrated features on the platform, and the details are all in the description below. Subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.